Hi, Michael. It's good to see you again. And we're just on the other side of halfway through this month. There's been a lot of stuff going on in your world and the lending industry. And I just want to make sure that our customers and clients hear from you of what your take is on being able to get a loan and what that looks like. So take it away, Mr. Michael.
Yes, hi, Patrick. Thank you. Yes, we are definitely having changes every day almost in our industry. So one of the things of the local real estate agent like as yourself and myself as a local lender for many years, I think it's important that we basically let our consumers know what's going on out there. And one of the biggest changes this week, and I feel obligated to be a beacon and let everyone know and make them aware that there is changes. So as you look at thinking of maybe doing the forbearance or deferral, it's critical that you have communication with your current servicing company to know exactly what's going to happen. One of the things that came out this week was it appears that the lenders going forward are going to maybe not approve you for a loan. If you're looking at buying a house or anything like that in the future, or you're currently selling a home and going to be buying a new home, if you exercise this forbearance or deferral, it could have a negative impact on your ability to qualify for a new loan. Not always, but it could. So one of the things, and not getting too technical, credit reporting companies report a 1 when you make a payment and you're current. So when I look at someone's mortgage that's been current for the last 24 months, I see 24 1s. What happens is going to be is there will not be late payments. There will not be any late charges, anything negative affecting your credit score. But instead of reporting 1s, they're going to show 0s. And the 0s on there are going to then indicate to the new lender that you have not made a payment or there's been forbearance. So if you cannot prove that you've had the ability to pay your mortgage current for the last 12 months, that could affect your ability to qualify for a loan.
Oh, I see. I understand. Well, when they're having a conversation with their lender, talk a little bit about that and what do you offer in suggestions for them?
Well, and yeah, that's a great point. So yeah, your wisdom is very good there, Patrick. So it's always important because this credit industry is not a perfect science, and I have seen errors being reported. So whenever you have any communication with them, you probably need to keep a tablet or keep some notes on it. Write down who you talked to, when you called them, and what the discussion was. And it's there. Definitely ask the people. I mean, ask, how are you going to report it? Am I getting, payments? Is the lump sum due at the end of the forbearance? Is it, can I stretch it out 12 months, 24 months? Can I put it on the end of my mortgage? Will it affect my credit? I mean, it's great to ask these people. And then whatever they tell you, what you want to do is have them put it in writing and have them either fax it to you, email it, or a lot of times they'll just mail it in regular mail because they won't fax it to you. But you know what? At least you have that document going forward, because trust me, there is not a perfect science and things do pop up. So the more prepared you can be, and I feel obligated to let everybody know, the more prepared you can be, the better off you're going to be in the future.
Well, I think that's great advice, especially for those that are looking to kind of purchase and then trying to take opportunities with situation that's happening today. But I think if I'm understanding clearly, the 2 points we want to stress is make sure whatever you're talking to the lender, you try to get it in writing. And the second thing is you want to make sure that it's not going to affect them adversely in any way if they are looking to get a loan at any point in time in the near future.
Correct. And it hasn't been clearly defined. And so most of the times, most of the conditions on loans are to prove that you've been current the last 12 months. So if you do take this forbearance, it might put you in a situation where you're not eligible to qualify for a normal loan for 12 months. So we don't know that yet, and it's not really been put down in concrete, and the rules haven't been established because it's all brand new. So, but what my suggestion would be is, if you can make the payments, if you do not need to take the forbearance or the deferral, if you can make the payments because you've received some type of stimulus or support from the government, make the payment. If you know that you're not going to be buying something in the next couple of years, And, you know, and I truly understand situations are pretty difficult for some people. If you can't make the payment, definitely take the forbearance. But I just feel obligated to let everybody know and be aware of how it could affect you. And I think it's important to all of our clients, because I sure wouldn't want someone that has a, you know, current house on the market and they're selling it, just say, hey, I'm going to take the forbearance because it's going to get paid off. And then, Patrick, we go to qualifying for our new home and then we have issues. So I think, you know,
Yeah.
knowledge is super important, especially going forward in these crazy times. So I think, yes, I think it'd be great to get everything you can in writing and just get your facts. And if you have any questions, you know, call Patrick at Raymond Associates or myself at Envoy Mortgage, and we would definitely be willing to help you out.
Great. Well, I think that was wonderful advice, and I just appreciate your time and what you're trying to get out there for everyone to kind of get some clarity. And just thank you so much. And if you don't mind, Michael, I'll just check back in with you next week, and
Yep.
we'll see what's transpiring, and we'll just follow up from there.
Yeah, I think it's great. And we'll try to keep everybody informed. And yeah, let's just touch base each week. And I really appreciate you asking me these questions, Patrick.
All right. Thanks, Michael. And I'll see you on the flip side.
All right. God
All
bless
right.
and stay safe, everyone. Thank you.